So this is a quick tutorial to complement video tutorial number 1, where I show you how to install, download, add the actions, everything you need to do with the floral overlays to get started for best results. You can just dive in and drag and drop florals. I'm just going to show you applying the actions in this video. And on this beautiful image here by Anna Brandt, beautiful backlit image. So I'm going to click to apply a floral and locate the one we're going to use. How about we go for something really, really beautiful and white. How about the, let's go for the white blossom branch scene too. And we've added that in. Gorgeous. I'm going to click the tone to make it warmer. And I'm going to lighten it up. And just bring the opacity up a little bit on that one. And now we've added those really beautiful soft florals. You can see here if I zoom in. Really, really gorgeous. On the layer mask for the white blossoms, I'm going to grab a brush, set to black, and I'm just going to brush a little bit of this off. My brush is on a very low flow, which is why it's taken me quite a few sweeps to come over. And there we go. Let's see our before and after. Literally a 1-minute application, and that included warming up and lighting it and masking. Super quick. I can't wait to see what you do with these. You can grab these over on the LSP Actions website. This is the White and Neutrals pack. There are so many different packs to choose on from to complement your image. So I can't wait to see what you do. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.